How to rename your Bluetooth on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your Bluetooth on Android. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, I'll be using Infinix Note 11 for this tutorial. How do you rename your Bluetooth on your Android? It's very simple. First thing to do is to open up your Bluetooth. We have two ways to open up our Bluetooth. Firstly, you have to wipe down your phone. When you wipe it down, guys, you see at the top here you will find or Wi-Fi, and you have the Bluetooth at the top right corner here. You go ahead and click on it. Another way to open up your Bluetooth, guys, is to open up your settings. Open up your settings. When you open up your settings, guys, scroll up and search for more connections. When you search for more connections, just click on it when you find it. Then you can see from the first option at the top here we have Bluetooth. Then click on it. It will now bring up this Bluetooth here. Then go ahead and click on the button at the front of use Bluetooth. You have to toggle it on. You can see the color of the button will change to white and green, and you can see the option under it. Just go ahead and click on device name. When you click on device name, guys, it will bring up this buzz. For you to enter your device name, just go ahead and rename your device. Then I will use Orosun as usual. After typing in your name, just go ahead and click on rename. So guys, anytime you are using your Bluetooth with any other devices, those people will be seeing your device name as Orosun or whatever you rename your device with. So guys, that is how to rename your Bluetooth on Android. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give the thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.